Hello Fly Babies, it's me, your FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Wednesday and we have a 3-layer cake. First layer, routines. Second layer, basic weekly plan. Third layer, zones. This is such a simple plan. It is not complex. I'm going to give you the 3 things that we're going to do today. Then I'm going to tell you what it looks like in your day. Then you're going to go out and implement it. Isn't that great? Okay, first thing, we're going to do our routines. Our routines are morning routine, laundry, paper routine, after dinner routine, before bed routine. Our basic weekly plan on Wednesday is planning and desk day. That means you're going to check your refrigerator, give it a little wipe down, a little reorganization. You're going to shop your kitchen refrigerator, your kitchen freezer, your other freezer if you have one, and your pantry to see what you can come up with for a menu this week. You're going to plan your menu and continue it on for a full week. If you don't have the things on your shelf to supplement that, or to create that rather, then you're going to put those things on your grocery list. Don't forget breakfasts, lunches, and snacks besides the dinners, okay? All right, then you're also going to check your checking account to make sure that it looks right. There's nothing weird going on. You're going to balance it, and it's going to get easier every week because you're doing it on a weekly basis. You're going to make sure your bills are paid, and you're going to make sure that nothing weird is happening with your credit card. You're also going to make sure that you are staying in budget when you make that menu, and you're going to revisit that budget and confirm that again. Get that in your head, okay? You're also going to handle your in basket. All the things you've been putting in your in basket when you go through that inch of paper, anything that requires filing or handling is going to be handled today. One person said, "Thanks, Kat. I was decluttering my paper today and found $10. That was the most recent find." I love it when you guys tell me what you found. All right. Most of it's trash, I have to say, but you need to go through it, or if you don't, you might be throwing away $10. Okay, next thing is the zone, and we're in zone 3, the bathroom and one other room. So you're going to work in that bathroom if you still have things to do in there, or you're going to work in that other room. It's either decluttering for 15 minutes or working on one of the 4 things that you've chosen to do in those 2 rooms total, okay? All right, now let's see how it works. We're going to see what it looks like for an at-home fly baby. You're going to get up, do your morning routine. After your morning routine, you're going to put your children through their routine. After that, you're going to put on your laundry and go through an inch of paper. When you're done with that, you're going to start with the basic weekly plan, which is go into your kitchen and work on the refrigerator, the freezer, the pantry, looking to see what you have, reorganizing a little bit, giving it a little wipe down, getting it prepped for those groceries that are coming in tomorrow. Then you're going to go straight to your desk, pay bills, balance checkbook, all the things I talked about, take that inbox and handle it, make your grocery list, etc. Staying in budget. Then you're going to go to your zone, which is zone 3, the bathroom and one other room, and you're going to do one of your 4 things if you're cleaning, or you're going to do 15 minutes of decluttering in one of the 2 rooms. Okay, then after that you're going to have after dinner routine and before bed routine. If you're working outside the home or working in the home, which is just like working outside the home as a payroll fly baby, you must concentrate and put your full effort into that work because that is what you're getting paid for, and that's why you chose to work. The convenience is that you don't have to drive to work, but you're still at work. You can't take care of a baby and take care of a house and do a payroll job at the same time. It requires your focus. Okay, so be focused. So you're going to do your morning routine, put the children through their routine, then they're off. You're going to go to your work. You're going to do your work to the best of your ability. On your lunch hour or break, you're going to think about the basic weekly plan and how you're handling that. If you need to delegate it, you're going to call and remind on your last break if the kids are home already, and also on your way home. All right, when you get home, you're going to inspect what you expect, and that's something I forget to tell you from time to time, but if you've delegated something, inspect what you expect, not with a meanness, but with an expectation that it's going to be done. And if it's not done, then it's simply a consequence, and you have to do the job yourself. And it's not fun, but being a parent sometimes isn't fun. It's not all fun. We're raising children. It requires effort. Okay. Then you're going to start your laundry, go through an inch of paper, start supper. While supper is simmering, you're going to work on your zone. for 15 minutes if you need to declutter, or for 10 minutes or less if you're doing one of your 4 things. Then you're going to take care of the basic weekly plan if that's something, the weekly home blessing hour, if that's something you have to do or you're doing by default because a child chose a consequence. And then you're going to have after dinner routine, before bed routine. Don't forget your 3 clutter checks a day, very important. And always complete your process. And always, always remember that you are beautiful.